Welcome to the next section of this course, CRUD operations in plain REST. Now let's move on to the video mapping CRUD operations to HTTP methods. We have imported the project in our Eclipse as seen here. Now let's open the Spring 5 POM file. The file will look like this. I have highlighted the entire code for your reference. From this code, let's remove the parent to simplify the POM. As we have removed the parent, we may need to add the version in all our dependencies. Let's add them one by one. We will copy this line and paste in the Spring Boot Starter test dependency. After adding, we will save our pom.xml file. Once you have saved, we need to update our project. So let's update our Maven project. And then we will change our Java version back to Java SE9, which was previously set. So our POM is successfully updated. We don't see an error or warning sign. You saw the Spring 5 related dependencies, POM file. Now we need to test them with the REST endpoint. For that, open the src main Java folder, and inside the com.pactpub.restapp.ticketmanagement, open the ticket management application.java file. These highlighted lines of code create a Spring Boot main file to initialize Spring Boot. Now let's run this file. When you check the URI shown highlighted, you will see this error. It says that there is no corresponding URI configured in the application. So we can fix this issue by creating a controller called home controller inside the com.pactpub.restapp package. Let's copy and keep this code in our clipboard. Here, we are going to delete the com.pactpub.restapp.ticketmanagement package. You may have a question. Why are we doing that? Because it won't allow us to create a new package inside the src main Java folder named com.pactpub.restapp, since the name of the package matches. So we will delete the package and create the new package com.pactpub.restapp. Inside this package, we will be creating our file called homecontroller.java. Next, create the package that we deleted recently, which is com.pactpub.restapp.ticketmanagement. Once we have created the package, create a new Java file named ticketmanagementapplication.java. Once you have done that, paste the code here, which we copied in the clipboard. Hope you remember that. You can save the file now. Next, go to the com.pactpub.restapp and create the new file named homecontroller.java. After that, we will add in the highlighted code which is present in the code bundle. Here, we created a dummy controller called homecontroller with a single map as a result. Also, we added the new controller. We need to have these classes auto-scanned by our main application, in our case the ticket management application class. Save this file now. So we will tell them by adding component scan annotation and specify com.pactpub in the main class. This is showing us the error because we need to add necessary import statements for this line as well. So we will add in the necessary import statement for that. Finally, our main class will look like the code highlighted here. Save it and then run our Spring Boot once again. When you restart the Spring Boot app, you will see the REST endpoint working at the local host :8080 and you will get the results as highlighted here. So we have reached the end of this video.